This video is one of many safety videos and lessons that you will learn in the design and fabrication curriculum. My name is Stephen Hadwin. I am the design and fabrication instructor here at Southern Oklahoma Technology Center in Ardmore, Oklahoma. Safety has been a passion of my career. I have authored over 3 safety programs, as well as I've been on numerous safety committees in major corporations. You're very lucky and I'm very lucky to teach in a brand new facility. In 2008, this was just a vision. In 2012, we moved in last year. Brand new facility with some of the latest technologies, latest methods in the classrooms, and the latest safety features. Even when you walk in the building, you'll feel like you're walking into an industrial environment. Building, you'll see that all the hallways are free and clear of obstructions, well lit. The hallways are marked with exit signs, and in the end of our atrium we have a viewing area that has clear glass so visitors can view the lab without having to go on the shop floor. In our classroom, there will be evacuation plans that you will be made aware of that will show you how to leave the facility in the event of tornadoes, in the event of fire, and another safety type of evacuation plans. So, as this picture illustrates, in the classroom, you could leave and go out the door, exterior door, to the shop floor. You could leave and come out to the side doors. In the event there was a tornado, you would leave and you would go into the tornado shelter room, which is adjoining our classroom. This building has where each exterior door has the same features. There will be a fire alarm that is clearly marked, as well as fire extinguishers, again clearly marked, and with exit signs that are visible. And we're here to have fun, but most of all we want to make sure you have a very safe environment to learn. It's a very well lit, clean shop floor. The CNC machinery that you'll get to run your parts on have all the latest safety features. The doors automatically lock and prevents you from entering in while the machine is turning to prevent injuries. Of course, you will be exposed to a lot of safety curriculum. We have a safety pledge here in our classroom. One way, the right way, the safety way. A safe day's work means a full day's pay and a chance to prepare for a rainy day. In addition, we will use online training curriculum that is developed by SME, the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, and this online curriculum will allow us to verify your comprehension in the various safety programs. In addition, both instructors and staff are trained on a regular basis in all aspects of safety. This curriculum has many hazards. Many of those are from rotating motions, such as a drill press, or a milling machine, or a lathe, both CNC or manual. Of course, you'll have to cut your materials up with various saws. You'll be taught all the safety features specifically for those machine tools. In addition, you will end up taking a basic safety course that you have to pass 100% before you can enter the shop floor. This is a requirement as part of our program. All these efforts is to prevent this from happening. We do not want any students to be hurt, mangled, or damaged, such as this person was. In our classroom, you will see various safety signage on the walls, as well out in the lab. There will be an area for you to place your glasses, safety glasses, before you enter the shop floor, as well as an area to clean your glasses. The basic shop rules will be the same as most industries. Of course, each industry and each company may have its own safety rules, but the ones that we will teach you are very basic in nature. In our classroom, you will see the first aid station marked, as well as the stations on the shop floor. In addition, in the classroom, there will be a notebook that will have all our material safety data documents. In that closet, you can see the first aid kit and the MSDS book. It will contain information that will tell you specific dangers for various metals, materials, chemicals that you will handle, and the ways to protect yourself. In addition, there's loud noise. We will provide you ear protection. In the rear of the classroom, there will be a bulletin board. On this bulletin board, there will be various documents specific to the Department of Labor and OSHA. It will have evacuation plan, as you see here, as well as an emergency information book. This emergency information book will have various topics such as the telephone numbers, the emergency procedures, the responsibilities of the staff. You'll be required to read this, review it, and know how to use it. At all times, we need to try to keep the area clean, the materials clean, and the machines clean. So you'll have available shop towels and rags in order to maintain this. We want to keep the floor clean of cables, extension cords, hoses, and such, and those that are on the floor will be taped down in a safe manner to prevent tripping. As you can see, our shop floor is maintained and kept very clean. We do have a viewing area that we had shown earlier that people can view the shop without coming on the shop floor. But we also have an area designated as a no safety glass area. It's all this area on the right of the yellow line. If you venture over the yellow line, you are required to wear safety glasses. Sometimes you may not be able to help someone because you're not very close to the proximity of the machine that they're on. Our shop is fairly large. So in the event that someone was in danger at a machine, students have access to an emergency shutoff that's next to my instructor's door that they can press, and that will shut down all the power to all the machines immediately. Even though we wear safety glasses on the shop floor, the metal debris and the plastic debris that we cut and the chemicals that we may be using, there's still a risk that you may get something in your eye. For that, we have an eye wash station. It gets regularly checked to make sure that it functions. You will see various areas in the shop that have the yellow and black stripe tape on the floor. This is to segregate or create a safe area where you're not allowed to set anything down, and this will allow a clear working area for various equipment and safety equipment, so that anytime you would need it, you would have a clear and easy access to it. In the back of the lab, there's a spill kit container. It rolls around. It would be used in case there's a major oil or coolant spill. Next to the tool room door, there's a just right safety cabinet. This cabinet will hold some of the flammable chemicals that we would use in our process, such as paint thinner, some of the ink, Dicom ink that we use to stain metals, some of the special cutting fluids. You will learn how to handle heavy materials. Most of our materials will come in 12-foot lengths. They're heavy and awkward, and we'll teach you the safe way to handle materials. We will have a tool room that is restricted. It has controlled access, and in the event you need special tooling, cutting tools, other special items, you will provide your a chip that you can give to the tool room person, and they will hand you out the tool, and then we'll know who has that particular item. In addition, you'll be trained how to use the various material handling equipment such as dollies, four-wheelers, and safety ladders. Even with the cutting tools and special tools, it will still require your specific chip to check something. We have a lean environment. Items are labeled and such so that they can be identified easily. So, not only this video, but other lessons you will take will help you leave this program with a very good understanding of safe practices. So after you review this video, it will be made available to you to view at any time. You will be tested on it, as well as the other safety curriculum. Thank you.